Hello, YouTube friends and family. This camera came on by itself. Oh my goodness. How you doing today? This is my third recording of the day. So if you see me in the same shirt for the next 3 videos, just know I recorded all in one day. So I did. If you saw my other 2 videos, I don't know which order I'm going to release these in, but I did go out and work and then came back to film the last one. So one of my side hustles, because you got to do more than one thing in today's economy, especially when you spend money like I do. Okay, so I went back to Ollie's Good Stuff Cheap. This is a good little bag. We are using reusable bags now. Follow me, follow me, follow me. For Earth Day, let's start focusing on using reusable bags and getting rid of all those little plastic bags. But I got a big haul. I went back to return the last box of Simpsons boxes that I picked up that was the wrong size to get $6 back and spent $118. Oh my goodness. Because I went to a better store. I went out of town to Kingsland. So that was the store to go to. And they took out new stuff. And I looked at the ad. I went looking for one thing. And I scanned that whole store and found so much good stuff, I tell you. More cheaper than the Dollar Tree. So keep that in mind. Cheaper than the Dollar Tree. But this is a very sturdy. Very sturdy. This is it on the floor. Garden flag stand with a hook. So I'm going to upgrade mine because it's a flimsy one. And this is real sturdy. And it was $6.99 at Ollie's. So you can hang the hummingbird feeder and the flag. So, and I want those out my front window so I can look at them all day while I'm at work. And I think they'll like it there too because that's where my ruellias are. And they like to hang around those ruellias when they do come back up because I had to cut them all down and they coming right back. So they'll have those flowers and things. So stay tuned and subscribe, my gardeners. I'm going to start back doing the garden content, I promise, because I got to stop shopping. So I got a project coming with this, hopefully. $12.99. For can you see that? Because the glare is glaring. But this was $12.99. So I got to do this project within the next 30 days or take this back. But it is, I think they carry these at Walmart. 20 pound, 4-shelf plastic. So I got a surprise project for that. So let's do this. Let's do house. Still in the garden. I think that's all of them. So I did grab some seeds. They still have some 50% off seeds. And I am getting so good at growing carrots. So I want to keep those on deck because they're good for juicing. And these are all the USDA organic. So I bought some red Russian kale, some red cord carrots, some buttercup winter squash, some dwarf blue curled kale, and some mesclun lettuce. Now I'm going to try to do that microgreens with that, and some Swiss chard. So I'm trying my hands at microgreens. We'll see how that turn out, and I'll take you on that journey. My first attempt already failed, but we're going to keep trying. So, these 10 pairs of socks, black, for them boys that like to walk all over the place. You can't see when they filthy. $5.99 for a 10-pack of socks. Cheaper than the Dollar Tree. You ain't going to get but one pair. Every now and then we do luck up on a multi-pack for the $1.25. But that's every now and then. If you need them today, go get you some. And if you don't know, I am an eBay seller. So they had packing tape, 2 rolls for $3.99. And They also had the box, the tape dispenser, and for $4.99 with a roll of tape. So eBay supplies. So one thing I saw in the ad, I probably shouldn't have bought it, but I collect these things. A Boppy. So the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle Boppy. If you are already trying to pad for Christmas and hide some stuff for Christmas, this is a very fun toy. $4.99.
Ready for a slice of the action? Bop it to start. High score, 2.
Okay, so
Bop it.
when the world goes down, something to do. This is not a video game, but it is a toy that talks to them. Okay? That's a good something to have. And it's good for family and, you know, for them to play with together. So, I also found, where did I buy this one? Okay, I don't know what I was thinking. But they only had one of these, I think. And this is outdoor weather resistant paint, Anita's, and it was 99 cents for all 4. Now you notice, I don't know if what's that, is it Joann's that's closing, is already getting rid of stuff, but this was in Ollie's for 99 cents for all 4. 99 cents for all 4. Yes, they were. So I did get some other Anita's all-purpose acrylic. And this is in a antique nickel, and 99 cents for all 4. Okay. So, to my arts and crafts people, check out your Ollie's. Let me say, oh, garden. Everything kind of mixed up. So, stay for the whole thing. Okay. So, they brought these back out again. Some of them grew. I will say some of them grew from last year. Some of them didn't. And 1 or 2, I forgot to plant. I might even still throw them in the ground because it was some more of these. My intention was to give it to somebody and do something for somebody, and I never got around to it. But these have been looking so pretty. T-Nog had some of these, and they were looking so pretty. I said I got to have me some, and that's 10. 10 for $3.50, cheaper than the Dollar Tree, because they're only going to give you 3 for $1.25. So you got 10 for $3.50. I think with these they only gave you 1 for $1.25. These they give you 3 for $1.25. So these are solid color, $3.50 for 10 of them. Cheaper than the Dollar Tree. Okay. Mathematics. Dollar Tree sometimes depend on y'all not to do the mathematics too. Okay. Pink stuff at Ollie's. The pink stuff. Cream cleaner. Tough on stains. Sparkling clean. This was $3.99. See, this glare is really glaring. But trust me, $3.99 if you can't see it. And this is, how many ounces is this? 16.9 ounce. So, very, very good. And then they are really carrying this stuff. I don't know how much this is in Walmart. I think I did look it up in Walmart and everywhere else. But pop sugar, again, pop sugar. This is the bubble bath in eucalyptus. And it was only $1.99 for 900 milliliters, whatever that may be. 900 milliliters, $1.99 of name brand pop sugar. And they also had the lavender vanilla pop sugar, $1.99. $1.99. Okay. So I'm bubble bath down after working in that yard with some Epsom salt and some bubble bath. Sit up and chill and watch some YouTube. Now this, I don't know. I thought it was one thing. It turned out to be something else. I don't know. I may or may not keep it. I'm not sure. But this is the clean coat. Clean coat. But I thought it was a bath soap dispenser. And it is truly the dish soap dispenser. However, I might still use it. I'm trying to decide. If not, it may be in my eBay store. Look, they say their price $9.99 and it's $1.99. $1.99. So, I think this was all part. I think they still getting rid of Bed Bath & Beyond or something, because they used to carry this at Bed Bath & Beyond. So next, I got books. And I shouldn't have got books, but I got books, okay? I got some books. So, you know I'm a prepper, and I'm always be prepping. I got survival tips. Survival tips, 150 essential life-saving skills. This is going in my go bag. How to cross rivers, surviving tornadoes, volcanic eruptions, survival first aid, which we definitely need. Is it safe? All kinds of survival tips. So hopefully they the truth, because anybody can write a book these days. But at least we have it in written form. In written form. Get your 2 books on each essential subject. 2 cookbooks, 2 bread books, 2 preserving books, preserving your food, 2 garden books. Make a survival library. 2, how to fix this, how to fix stuff, how to fix stuff instead of throwing it away. This was $3.99. I don't know if I said this was $4.99, and this was $3.99, and it has how to repair roof flashings, how to clean a vacuum cleaner, how to regrout tile, how to fix glasses, choosing a lawnmower, controlling garden pests. Oh, so it's a lot in here with a little bit of picture. Okay, so yeah, how to fix stuff. Hopefully they got how to fix sprinklers, because I'm gonna stop calling people for that and make somebody else do it. And buying used tools, how to fix a cracked flower pot. Oh, they got a lot of stuff. Exterior. They even got how to clean a bathroom. And then this. Now, if I paid, well, it's only $4.99. I don't know why I thought it was $9.99. But the Fruit and Vegetable Bible. So, select, plant, grow, harvest, preserve, store, cook, and eat. See, this is the good olives. And it actually telling you how to grow the stuff. It tells you arugula varieties, climate, soil, growing, harvesting, storing, nutritional values, health benefits. Yeah, this the book. In the garden, radish, pumpkin, romaine, switch. Oh yeah, this the book. This is the book. Okay? Add that. Any gardeners watching, you should add that to your library. So I needed a knife. This knife was $3.99. So we hope it works well. $3.99. Because one of my knives got rusty. So that's going to have to be tossed or used in the garden for something. I don't know. Hey! Food on the stove. Burning. Smell like it's burning. You ain't on camera. Don't worry. Okay. I wanted to try these. I eat the noodle every now and then. I grew up on them. I can't help it. But this is friendly scallion sauce, hand pull style noodles. This was from Christmas, as you can see. It was a little pricey at $3.99, but it still doesn't expire till September, so that's okay. And I just wanted to try it. So it's only 6 pouches of the Hello Kitty noodles. this OXO. That's why I say they had to get a lot from Bed Bath & Beyond. This was big at Bed Bath & Beyond. But this is a 3-piece cleaner. Cleaning straws, cleaning bottles and glasses. And cleaning whatever this is. I guess them tops and lids for those to-go cups. So yeah. All you need to clean them in a stylish format. Then I saw these. These are mini sweet and salty nut minis. I'm gonna have to hide these because he'll sit and eat them in 2 sittings. But these are for me to throw in my purse while I'm out driving and I want a snack because I end up going through Checkers and buying a $2 burger today because I was just that hungry. But if I have a snack, then I won't have to do that. So some more cheaper than the Dollar Tree. No, it ain't. No, it ain't. But Old El Paso, Tex-Mex, pinto beans. We do a lot of bowls around here. Taco nacho bowls, things like that. And this is $1.29, just enough for 2 people to make a bowl. $1.29 on one of those quick nights. And then they also had the Santa Fe style black beans, $1.29. And now this is cheaper than the Dollar Tree. So they had red chile, what's that? Frontera enchilada sauce. That's what I'll do. I made some turkey enchiladas. And these were 99 cents. Yes. So I also got whole bay leaves. Now this was a deal at $1.59. $1.59 for whole bay leaves, full. This is the big bottle. This is says 0.75 ounces, but this is the big container of whole bay leaves. And for the garden, cayenne pepper. Aren't you supposed to sprinkle this for pests? So I'm gonna sprinkle this for pests when I see pests. Okay. So cayenne pepper for the garden. Because I sure don't put that on my food. And I'll rinse it off by the time it's time to eat out the garden. And I found one more of these. I love this night tea. You talk about something put you to sleep. It puts you to bed. And you sleep good. Like, I want to say the other night, I woke up one time to go to the bathroom and I didn't stay up. I was knocked out. This does the trick. So, that is it for that haul. And that is it for Ollie's for now. If you saw something, you better go get it. I'm also going to put up, I think I'll put up a short if I took enough pictures in there. I did put up a short of more books that I did not buy. And it was a pot that I might put in the community tab. However, I got something. No, I'll do a short. I'll do a short because the Ollie's had something very similar. And it was cheaper. Ollie's got a stackable pot out again. $9.99, 4 tiers. I bought one today. Get there for, not Ollie's, Aldi. Get there. I'm waiting on them to put something else out that's supposed to come out this week. Because I'm getting like 3-4 of them. But I hope you like this video. If you did, hit the subscribe button. Ring the bell. Stick with us. Go back and watch my garden playlist. Go back and watch some of my older Ollie's hauls because you just never know what you're going to find that's still there because this stuff is already here. So, if you know, you know. If you've been here, you know what I mean when I say that. This stuff is already here. Okay. So, I hope you all are prepping and praying and planting seeds in your children, planting seeds in your garden, and reaping harvest. As always, I love you to life. Bye-bye.